This is an elevator at Siesta Harbor, Siesta Key, Florida. It's a ThyssenKrupp. Traditional fixtures we're gonna go for. Look what the indicator's doing. It's kind of strange. We're gonna see if we can ring the bell. If we hit 4. Typical ThyssenKrupp chime. This is elevator number 2. Not sure where elevator number 1 is. Again, traditional fixtures. I think this was originally a General, but I'm not entirely sure. SH for Siesta Harbor. It's a pretty small elevator. Only 1,200 pound capacity. That'll be it.